Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to lower file size in OBS Studio. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go head over to settings right here. If you can't find it, just go ahead over to file at the top left. Now click on settings. Okay. Now, once you're in here, first up, go ahead over to video. And then here, do not copy my settings. Okay. You'll have to use base canvas 1920 by 1080. And the output would be 1920 by 1080 as well. If you want lower quality, well, you can go ahead and use 720p. Okay. And instead of using 60 FPS, go ahead and lower it down to 30. Okay. And then once that's done, just hit on apply. Once done, go ahead over to output right here. Now, we are talking about file size. So most probably, we should go ahead and go to recordings. Now, in the recordings, you may use a recording format as what? MKV right here. So use MKV for safety, and you can just go ahead and remix this or remux to MP4 later if you want to, just to avoid high bitrate containers if storage is tight. So again, Matroska video, click on it. And then once done, go ahead over to video encoder. So video encoder right here, just leave it to NVIDIA NVENC HEVC or H.265 if you're using a powerful graphics card. If not, you can just go ahead and use H.264. If you do have a graphics card or NVIDIA graphics card, that is not much powerful. If you only have a CPU, go ahead and use X264. Okay, if you have AMD will be listed right here as well. Okay, so audio encoder, just leave it to FFmpeg AAC. Rescale output disabled. And then instead of lossless rate control right here, you should use at least variable bitrate. Okay, do not use CBR or constant bitrate. So for example, you use constant bitrate right here, and that's under 10,000 kilobits per second. So what matters if you have this encoder settings, that just the time. For example, you record a minute video, and then just for example, the file size would be 1 gig. Okay, so the moment you record a 2-minute video, it will be 2 gigs. So I highly recommend you to use a variable bitrate right here, and then just change this one to 5,000 to 8,000. Again, 5,000 to 8,000, it should be good to go. And after all that, just click on apply. Do not forget to click on apply and then hit on OK. All right, that's basically it. You can now then go ahead and hit on record and enjoy a lower file size. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.